Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Omni William Penn Hotel. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are parking, pet-friendly, non-smoking rooms, family rooms, fitness center, restaurant, tea, coffee maker in all rooms and a bar. Having captivated guests such as John F. Kennedy and Lawrence Welk with its striking beauty and charming elegance, this Pittsburgh luxury hotel has been lavishly restored to its original grandeur. Just 19 miles from Pittsburgh International Airport and Allegheny County Airport, the hotel is celebrated for its ultra-comfortable guest room accommodations, award-winning cuisine and exquisite banquet space. Home to 723 bridges, 29 universities and the nation's largest inland port, Pittsburgh is filled with magnificent architecture and the excitement of a major metropolis. Not far from spectacular mountains full of forest trails and fresh air, there's so much to enjoy, and the Omni William Penn Hotel puts you close to everything. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.